What's up, guys? It's Pandora the Cryptobabe, Postcard Diva. I'm back. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're here for the very first time, you know what to do. Smash it, smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right, guys, I'm back with LiveGood. All right, one of my one and only health and wellness opportunities that I'm a part of. I got started with LiveGood back in February. Okay, I wanted to get started with it because I wanted to try the products. I'm so into the plant-based products, so when I saw what they were offering and the whole setup where I didn't have to be on auto ship, I didn't have to go out and recruit people to earn and to remain on auto ship, I thought that was amazing. And the startup cost is affordable for everybody. Of course, I was going to be an affiliate. Okay, that's without saying, because that's who I am. So the affiliate price is only $49.95 to be an affiliate. If I share it with others, I'm rewarded $25. And then to be a member as a consumer, it's only $9.95 a month, or you can pay for the whole year, $99 outright. All right. So I'm like, I am in. All right. So, of course, a consumer number one, I do have the products. Okay. Here's the products that I've purchased already. Okay. Then I've ordered, once again. Okay. Because I like these products. But now we're going to order the protein powder. Okay, I had another protein powder that I purchased, and I want to finish that before I place another order. But I like being a product of the product. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, hang tight. All right, so I'm in my back office, and that's the other thing that I like about LiveGood is that you can purchase products with crypto. You can also receive your commissions in crypto. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this will be my first order I'm placing using crypto. So I want to do that with you guys. I'm going to order the plant-based protein. All right, so let's go there. Okay, you can see here's all the products, guys. You can scroll through here, check some of these products out. I mean, who doesn't want to improve their health? And these are quality products. Okay, because I did a comparison. If you have not watched my video when I actually joined this back in February, where I have some products here that is in comparison with the products that they have and how much I spend on those products. You're saving a lot of money with LiveGood, let me tell you. Okay, so I'm gonna order the complete plant-based protein. All right, so we're gonna go here. Before we do that, let me show you. So you can click learn more, right, and see it shows you. Let me move this out the way. Oh, it doesn't want to move. Hang on a second. Okay, here's the product. Complete plant-based protein. See, as a member is $22. Retail price is $34, guys. So what I'm saving, $12. Okay. So this is what I use to make my smoothies with. So I can't wait to see what their product is gonna give, because the two other products that I purchased from them, they mix very well. Even just with water. So can't wait to see how this one is going to work. So let's do that. Let's order here, add to cart. See, it tells me right here. All right, hang on a second. Okay, right here it says payment options. I'm going to select cryptocurrency. All right, see, $22. It's going to be $7.20 for shipping and handling, a total of $29.20. Okay, I think the product I get from Costco's is 30 something, but it may be a few more servings in that one as well. Okay, I think this one only gives me 15 or 20. I'll look back at it, but at any rate, it's all good. I want to try this out, so let's take a look here. Hang on. Okay, so let me go down further. I'm going to go down. I think it has an address on here. I'm gonna go past that, and then we'll keep moving. Hang on. Okay, when I get past the shipping address and all that, you come down. It says, please agree to the policies. I understand I'm paying $29.20 today in my choice of cryptocurrency for my order. I agree to LiveGood policies and procedures. So I'm going to click there. And let's go. Place order. Okay. Cryptocurrency payment. Please click the button below to pay $29.20 in cryptocurrency for your order. Okay, so I click here, and I'm going to do Bitcoin. See, they list the different currencies that they accept. They even have Tron in there. That's cool. So we're going to do Bitcoin. And all right, let me do that. Hang on one second. All right, guys, see, they're asking me for this, and this is the amount they want. So let's click send. All righty, hang on. All right, it says here, after you have paid and clicked sent on the pop-up window, your payment may take up to 20 minutes for us to receive and activate your account. We will send you an email when we receive the payment. Okay, guys. All right, let's see. Hang on. Okay. Says we have not yet received your cryptocurrency payment. It could take up to 20 minutes to receive your payment. Please click below to refresh and check again. That's where they told me to send it. And I've checked my hash ID, and that is where I sent it. Okay, so we just refresh. Refresh. Okay, guys, there it is. It did not take 20 minutes, but there it is. LiveGood sent an email 3:12 p.m. Thank you for your order. Let me open it up here. Hang on. There it is. Thank you for your order. Thank you for ordering the complete plant-based protein. It's the same order, 3:12. As you know, our commitment is always to provide you with the highest quality products to keep yourself and your family healthy. So there is the email. So voila, just ordered my plant-based product with crypto. Did not take 20 minutes. Awesome. Love it. Okay, so I went back here and I click refresh, and it says, congratulations, we have received your cryptocurrency payment. Thank you for your order from LiveGood. Shout out to LiveGood for digital currency. This is the way of the world, guys. This is the way of the world. You see how that works? You have your cryptocurrency and you place an order for your products. And this is how it's going to be. It is that way in some places right now. Okay. But anyway, thank you so much, LiveGood, for that, for being able to have that option. Okay. I love that. All right, guys. So you can use those different currencies that I showed. You'll see if you go there and try to place an order, it'll show you which currencies they accept. All right, there you have it. And when I get that, when I receive it, I will come back and let you guys see that as well. All right. So just think about that. You can go ahead and sign up with your cryptocurrency. So if you want to be an affiliate, it's $49.95 one time, right? Because if you share it with others, you want to be able to earn rewards. If you want to be a consumer, it's $9.95 a month to have the membership. If you don't want to have that monthly membership, you can just pay $99 outright for the whole year. All right. So if you just want to do those two, it'd be $9.95. If you just want to do the monthly, $9.95 and $49.95, and you can get started today. And as you can see, you can use cryptocurrency. I ordered the products, but you can sign up the same way. All right, guys. So go check it out. Link is www.coffeeandcoins.info. Would love to have you as a part of my Live Good tribe. All right, guys. Thank you so much. See you on the next video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. See you on the next video. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day.